Have you ever noticed how quickly people scroll past your content these days? 1 second, they're there. The next, they're gone. Off to the next post, the next article, the next video. Maybe you've put in hours crafting the perfect message, but within moments, it's just another blip in a sea of endless updates. Why does this happen? The truth is simple. Boring content gets ignored. Static posts, long paragraphs, generic images, they all blend into the background noise of the internet. But what if there was a way to not just catch someone's attention, but to actively involve them? What if, instead of being passive viewers, your audience could become engaged participants? That's where interactive content comes in, and it's easier to create than you might think. Let's start with a familiar story. Imagine you're scrolling through social media or reading a blog. You see another post titled, "How much do you know about marketing?" Normally, you'd probably skim the headline and move on. But now, imagine that instead of just reading, you're invited to take a quick quiz. 5 questions, quick and easy. You answer a few, click submit, and instantly see your results. Maybe you got 4 out of 5, or maybe you're surprised by how much you know or don't know. Not only have you learned something, but you've also had a little fun. You might even be curious enough to share your score or invite your friends to try. Or think about asking your audience for their opinion. Instead of a bland post that says, "Do you prefer learning online in the morning or the evening?" which most people will ignore, you offer them a simple poll. With one click, they select their answer. Immediately, they see what others have voted. Suddenly, it's not just a question thrown into the void, it's a conversation. You get real data about your audience's preferences, and they get to feel heard. This is the power of interactive content. It transforms your relationship with your audience. But maybe you're thinking, that sounds complicated. I'm not a coder. I don't have time to learn new technologies. Here's the good news. You don't need any coding skills or technical expertise to make it happen. There's a tool designed specifically to solve this problem called OpinionStage. OpinionStage is a platform that lets you create quizzes, surveys, and polls in just a few minutes. No need to start from scratch. They've got a library of templates to choose from. You can customize the look and feel to match your brand, from colors to fonts to images. And when you're done, you can embed your interactive content directly into your website or blog, or share it on social media with just a few clicks. It's intuitive, fast, and best of all, you can get started for free. So, what are the actual benefits of switching to interactive content? Let's break it down. First, engagement skyrockets. Studies show that interactive content like quizzes and polls can increase engagement rates by 3 to 5 times compared to static posts. That means more likes, more shares, more comments, and, most importantly, more time spent with your content. Instead of bouncing away after a quick glance, people stick around to participate. They become invested in the outcome, eager to see their results or compare their answers with others. Second, you collect valuable data. Every time someone takes your quiz or votes in your poll, you're gathering information, what your audience knows, what they prefer, how they think. This data is gold for marketers, educators, and content creators. It helps you tailor your future content to what your audience actually wants, instead of guessing in the dark. Third, you increase retention. Interactive elements keep people on your page longer. The more time they spend engaging with your content, the more likely they are to remember your brand, return for more, and even recommend you to others. It's a virtuous cycle. Engagement leads to retention, and retention leads to growth. Fourth, interactive content is versatile. Use quizzes to educate your students or audience, making learning more fun and memorable. Use polls to gather feedback, test new ideas, or spark debates. Or just create a fun personality test to entertain your followers and encourage them to share. The possibilities are endless, from marketing campaigns to training sessions, from product launches to simple community building. Now, let's walk through just how easy it is to get started. With OpinionStage, you don't need to spend hours designing or troubleshooting. Pick a template that fits your goal, maybe a knowledge quiz, a feedback survey, or a preference poll. Customize the questions and answers, Add your own branding and decide where you want to share it. In just a few minutes, you're ready to launch. Even if you want to make changes later, it's as simple as editing a document. No technical headaches, no fuss. Imagine the impact this could have on your next campaign. Instead of asking your email subscribers to read another long newsletter, you send them a poll about what topics they want to learn next. Instead of posting a static infographic on social media, you invite followers to test their knowledge with a quick quiz. Instead of guessing what your customers need, you ask them directly and get actionable insights right away. The best part? You don't have to wait. OpinionStage offers a free version, so you can experiment with interactive content before making any commitment. Try it out with your next post, your next lesson, or your next marketing campaign. Watch as your audience stops scrolling, starts clicking, and actually engages with what you have to say. Maybe you're a teacher, looking for ways to make your lessons more dynamic. Interactive quizzes can turn a dull review session into a lively competition. Maybe you're a business owner, wanting to learn more about your customers. A well-placed survey can reveal what products they want, what problems they're facing, and how you can serve them better. Or maybe you're just tired of posting content that gets ignored. Interactive elements are your shortcut to deeper connections and measurable results. You might wonder, why is interactive content so effective? The answer lies in psychology. People love to test themselves, to compare their answers with others, and to see instant feedback. It's satisfying, it's fun, and it gives them a reason to stick around. When you ask people to interact, you're inviting them into a conversation, not just broadcasting a message. It's a subtle but powerful shift from, "Here's what I want to say," to, "What do you think?" or "How do you feel?" That's what builds community and trust. Let's be honest. Creating great content is hard work, but making it interactive doesn't have to add hours to your to-do list. With the right tools, you can turn any topic into an engaging experience. Are you launching a new product? Create a poll to let your audience choose their favorite color or feature. Teaching a complex concept? Break it down into a fun quiz. Looking for feedback on your latest blog post? Add a quick survey at the end. The results speak for themselves. Businesses that use interactive content report higher engagement rates, better lead generation, and improved customer satisfaction. Teachers see higher student participation and better learning outcomes. Bloggers and influencers grow their audiences faster because people love to share quizzes and polls with their friends. It's not just about grabbing attention. It's about holding it, nurturing it, and turning it into real relationships. So, if you're tired of pouring your energy into content that gets ignored, it's time to try something new. Stop posting one-way messages and start creating conversations. Give your audience a reason to stop, click, and get involved. The tools are there, waiting for you. No coding, no complicated setup. Just a few minutes and your creativity. Ready to get started? Head over to OpinionStage.com and try out the free version. Experiment with different formats. Quiz your audience, poll their opinions, or survey their needs. See for yourself how quickly your engagement rates climb, how much more you learn about your community, and how much more fun content creation can be. And if you want to keep discovering new tools and strategies to make your content stand out, don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips. Every week, we'll share practical ideas to help you grow your audience, boost your results, and build deeper connections. Remember, static content is easy to ignore, but interactive content demands attention. The next time you're about to post something, ask yourself, how can I invite my audience to participate? Even a simple poll or quiz can make all the difference. The internet is full of noise, but with the right approach, your content can be the signal that cuts through. Make your audience a part of the story. Let them touch, choose, and participate. That's how you stop being ignored and start making an impact. So go ahead. Turn your next post, lesson, or campaign into an interactive experience. Watch as your audience goes from passive viewers to active participants. It only takes a few minutes, and the results might just surprise you. Don't settle for boring content. Make it interactive, make it engaging, and make it unforgettable. Try it today and see the difference for yourself. And for more tips on building content your audience will love, make sure to stay tuned. You won't want to miss what's coming next.